The next report that I'm going to show you is the Sales by Day report. That's another quick, easy report. If you just want to know for a certain period, it'll list each day, the date, and what you did in net sales. A lot of people use this for beating last year's figures. You know, what am I up against for today compared to last year? What do we have to get to be able to beat last year's figures? Or people just want to come in and say, what have I done today? All I want to know is what my total net sales are as of today, and they can come in and run this report and say, as of today, my sales are this. It's going to list today, and it's going to list those net sales. The other thing is, at the end of the month, a lot of times people like to run the Sales by Day report and show every day for the month of June. It's going to list the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, all the way up through the 30th, and it will show the net sales for each day just on one report. So to get there, we're going to go to Reporting, Sales, and Sales by Day. Brings us into Sales by Day, another easy report to set up. You have your report options and report criteria. What sales period do you want to view? You can click on that drop down and choose what you want to look at. I'm going to choose previous month. What sales period do you want to compare? So if you want to compare that same dates previous year. How would you like to treat your stores? Either separate or combine. If you are a single store operation, it's obviously going to be on separate. If you are a multi-store operation, you can choose either one. Separate stores will print each store individually, and combine will combine your stores. Then we have when does the week end? What is the last day of your week? And you can click on the drop down and choose that. Report criteria, all this is the store information. So again, if you're at the top level, you'll see this where you can either leave it blank for all stores, you can put one individual store, you can put a couple stores in, whatever you want to do here. And then when you're ready, just click on Add Job and Run. Brings us to the report history, and we can click on our Sales by Day. Click on Open, and that brings up our report. So as you can see, it's just a quick report. It's only one page because I just want to know exactly what my net sales were for each day based on the period that I plugged in. So here it shows store 1. It shows the day of the week, the date, the net sales, and then it compares it to last year. So if there was any figures in here last year, it would show you what those figures were, the dollar change and the percent change, whether it's an increase or a decrease. You'll see weekly totals, and then it will move on to the next week and show you the days, the dates, and the amounts, and the percentage whether you increased or decreased based on last year. And then when you get to the end, it's going to give you your store totals. And that is the Sales by Day report.